Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have created an Ajax call to send category model to controller action result. And in this tutorial, we have to create that action which will receive category model sent from the Ajax. So here we need to stop the execution and go into the category controller and need to create update action result, and here we have category model. So now click here to activate the debugger, and now when we will send the Ajax call, which is hit whenever we will click on save button, send a model, and that model will received here. But in that model we have only the name, so we also need to bind the P category ID or post category ID. So for that, what we will do, we have to extract the ID along with this. So we will copy this and we will say temp ID, and from the 0 index we will get the text, and here we have post category model and pass ID as temp ID, and we are done. Now refresh this and see the magic. When I will click on edit, this field become editable with the current text, and I will update the text here. This is toots, let's say TEP, and click on save. Here we have the request. In the model it is getting data. Here we have PC ID and here we have the name TEP. So next we need to update this in the stored procedure. Stop the execution. Here we have the stored procedure and all this. Now simply we need to send the record. We need to use update filter. Here we have the name and here we have ID having model.p cat ID, and save it. I hope this is informative. In the next tutorial we will create the filter into the stored procedure and examine the whole life cycle of edit record dynamically. Take care, bye bye, have fun.